Welcome back to Vehicle Club, your go-to place for all things cars. Today, we're diving into one of India's best-selling premium hatchbacks, the Maruti Suzuki Baleno. Stylish, efficient, and packed with features, the Baleno has carved a strong identity in the market. Let's explore what makes it a top choice for urban drivers. Design and road presence. The Baleno stands out with its bold front grille, LED projector headlamps, and signature LED DRLs. Its sleek profile, chrome accents, and 16-inch alloy wheels give it a refined yet sporty look. The car maintains a perfect balance between elegance and everyday practicality. Interior and comfort. Step inside and you're greeted by a premium dual-tone cabin with soft-touch materials. The Baleno offers ample legroom, comfortable seating, and a 318-liter boot space. The 9-inch SmartPlay Pro Plus infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay ensures you're always connected, while the Archimedes sound system elevates the audio experience. Performance and mileage. Under the hood, the Baleno is powered by a 1.2L dual-jet petrol engine producing 89 brake horsepower and 113 Nm of torque. Paired with either a 5-speed manual or AMT gearbox, the drive feels smooth and refined. Mileage figures of up to 22.94 km per liter make it one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its segment. Safety and features. Maruti has equipped the Baleno with 6 airbags, ESP, hill hold assist, ABS with EBD, and a rear parking camera. The head-up display and 360-degree camera are rare features in this segment, enhancing both safety and convenience. Conclusion: is it worth it? With its premium features, impressive fuel economy, and Maruti's trusted after-sales service, the Baleno continues to dominate the hatchback segment. If you're looking for value, style, and practicality, the Baleno deserves a top spot on your shortlist. Thanks for watching Vehicle Club. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates.